Welcome to Inspiring Kitchen Aesthetics. Whether you're planning a remodel or just craving a fresh new look, your kitchen can be a canvas for creativity, comfort, and functionality. The kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the heart of the home. That's why kitchen design is more important than ever. It influences how we live, entertain, and connect with family. Let's talk trends. In 2025, kitchen aesthetics are all about bold personality and smart design. Think rich color schemes, mixed materials, and innovative layouts, all while maintaining peak functionality. Bold colors are making a splash this year. Deep blues, forest greens, and even terracotta tones are elevating kitchens from ordinary to unforgettable. Want instant visual impact? Use contrast. Pair light countertops with dark cabinets, or mix matte with gloss finishes to create depth and drama. Don't forget Pantone's Color of the Year. It's an easy way to stay on trend. Whether you add it through paint, dishware, or decor, it keeps your space feeling fresh and modern. Prefer a softer look? Neutral tones remain timeless, but try adding splashes of color with accessories, textiles, or even colorful appliances. Lighting is key to kitchen aesthetics. Layer your lighting for both function and mood. Overhead lights, task lighting, and accents all work together. Pendant lights are more than just functional. They're statement pieces. Use them to draw attention and create a central focal point. Under-cabinet lighting is a game changer. It not only adds ambiance, but also improves visibility where you need it most. Layout matters. Galley kitchens maximize space in tight areas. Meanwhile, open designs foster social cooking and entertaining. Working with a small space? Use clever solutions like wall-mounted storage, fold-out counters, or multi-use furniture. Your kitchen should reflect you. Add a personal touch with statement backsplashes, greenery, or stylish hardware. Even small details can make a big impact. On a budget? No problem. Try painting your cabinets or switching out the handles, and peel and stick backsplash tiles and countertop covers can also refresh your kitchen affordably. For flooring, vinyl and laminate have come a long way. They're stylish, durable, and won't break the bank. In the end, it's about balance. Embrace your personal style while mixing trends with timeless elements. Your kitchen should feel like your home. Let's answer a few quick questions. Question number 1. What are the most popular kitchen colors for 2025? Answer: deep navy, warm green, and creamy beige are all trending. Question number 2. How can I make my small kitchen look more spacious? Answer: use open shelving, light colors, and reflective surfaces to open things up. Question number 3. What types of lighting work best for kitchens? Answer: combine overhead, under cabinet, and pendant lighting for best results. Question number 4. Can I update my kitchen on a small budget? Answer: absolutely. DIY painting, new hardware, and lighting can work wonders. Question number 5. What materials are trending for kitchen countertops? Answer: quartz, butcher block, and concrete are all hot choices this year. Whatever your budget or space, your kitchen can be a beautiful reflection of you. Dive into design and let your kitchen shine. If this video inspires you, check out our video, 6 Steps to Plan Your Dream Home Renovation, right up here on the screen. Thanks for watching.